Hi, I'm Matt from Yealm Kitchens and I'm here today to show you this stunning traditional kitchen. One of the dominating features of this room is this old mill wheel behind me, and it was one of the challenges of this whole design. Positioning the island below the mill wheel makes sense of this whole space. And the awkward area around the back, we built a handmade bespoke unit which houses the integrated freezer and a small larder. This area is great for serving drinks or for laying out food. It also houses this nice integrated drinks fridge. Also in the dining area is this lovely handmade oak dresser. It's been made to fit the space exactly and scribed around the old beams, giving the impression that it's part of the fabric of the building. As you can see, this is a quirky old building, so none of the floors, ceilings or walls are level. But that's the beauty of Bespoke. Let's have a closer look at the rest of the kitchen. Down the long side of the kitchen is the main run of base units, ending in a bench seating area with views over the garden. This worktop instantly catches your eye, a very attractive granite in Colonial white with clusters of plum and green tones. The worktop has been shaped into deep window sills, which gives a great depth and good usable space. It's finished with a 100mm upstand all round. So this is an in-frame shaker kitchen, 80mm stiles and rails on the doors, a beaded frame all the way around for a traditional feel, 50mm setback plinths to help you get a bit closer to the worktop when you're using the kitchen. Another great feature of this kitchen is the plinth heaters, which are great for kitchens that need additional heating. The client's chosen a nice F&B Cromarty paint colour and finished it off nicely with these brushed stainless steel Marlborough handles. In terms of cupboard internals, there's a mixture of drawers and shelving. In this awkward corner, we have a magic pull-out which turns a difficult reaching space into something accessible. These are solid oak drawer boxes with dovetail joints on premium soft-close blum fittings. These cutlery trays can be made to any specification depending on what you want to store. Vertical tray dividers keeps everything nice and organised. At the far end, we have a dresser wall unit with open shelving which finishes this design beautifully. So let's have a look at the three most important elements in the kitchen and how they've been incorporated into this design. That's the wet area, the cooking area and the fridge. This is a classic configuration of the wet area: sink, dishwasher and bins. This is a two-part large sorter bin with an internal small bin for food waste. This is a Rangemaster Estel Deluxe with induction hob and chrome trim. It's framed by bespoke cabinetry with useful cupboards on either side. This cupboard has a bifold door with handy storage for the mixer. Overhead is the extractor and a handy cupboard for herbs and spices. This is a really nice feature. So coming over to these amazing tall units, they've been made non-standard heights, so they fit the unique size of the room. And again, as you can see, we've scribed it into the old beam, so it fits the space perfectly. This tall double pantry unit provides masses of useful storage. There are 3 solid oak dovetail drawers with 3 adjustable shelves above and finished off nicely with the internal granite worktop. The client has also chosen bespoke oak racking for oils, herbs and spices. Next to the pantry, there's a large integrated fridge by Siemens. It has soft closed doors and humidity control to keep food fresh for longer. So let's now meet the owner of this beautiful kitchen. So Claire, tell us what you love about this lovely kitchen.
In all honesty, Matt, I love everything about this kitchen. I couldn't have been more thrilled. It's so easy to work in. And thanks to you, all those endless plans that you did for us, I feel that you absolutely got everything right. And it's truly bespoke. Everything fits perfectly. There are no gaps. It's easy to clean. We've got a fantastic sink. What more would you like me to say? What more can I say? I really love the glass cabinet with the glass on both sides of it. And it's got a lovely antique mirrored effect at the back, which means that the light just bounces around the kitchen. And also it's a beautiful place to display some of the things that we love.
And the secret door?
Well, that was an amazing idea, Matt. When he first suggested it, it was a bit difficult for me to envisage what was going to happen. But in actual fact, it maximises the space under the stairs.
So what do your friends think about this lovely kitchen?
Every single one of them has walked in and said, wow, they can't believe how light and airy it is and what a massive change it's been. And I had a beautiful kitchen before, but this really is the icing on the cake.
So tell us about your bespoke seating area.
It was very important that we had somewhere where our guests could sit to make the kitchen more sociable. And also it means as you walk in, it just looks very comfortable as well. But also we've got fantastic storage underneath. So I've got all my tablecloths, napkins, tea towels, dishcloths all stowed away. There's oodles of space. It's fantastic.